Is every red eye a dangerous infection? Can you treat it with just drops from the pharmacy? Hold on, Bede. What you think you know about eye infection might be totally wrong. Red eye equals eye infection. Redness can be caused by allergies, dry eyes, or irritation. So it's not always an infection. Just use any eye drops and it'll go away. But using the wrong drops, like steroids on a viral infection, can actually make things worse. If it's not painful, it's not serious. Some infections are painless but can damage vision if untreated, like viral conjunctivitis or fungal keratitis. Avoid touching or rubbing your eyes. Don't share towels, makeup, or lenses. Use clean prescribed drops, never self-medicate. Cold compresses for viral infections, warm for styes. Homeopathic options like euphrasia may help relieve mild symptoms naturally. If symptoms don't improve in 24 to 48 hours or worsen, see a doctor immediately. Your eyes are delicate. Don't gamble with your vision. Got eye issues? Comment below or message us. Follow for more eye-opening health facts.